In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite friends with the Coinbase app. In 2025, get $10 bonus. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your referral link, how to share it, and how to confirm your reward once your friend signs up and makes their first qualifying purchase. Start by opening the Coinbase app on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so the menu labels match what you see here. If you haven't used the app in a while, give it a moment to refresh your dashboard after launch. Next, log into your account as you normally would. If the app prompts you for extra security, complete that verification to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on your home screen where you can see your portfolio and market updates. Look toward the upper left of the screen for the main menu icon. On some devices, it appears as 3 horizontal lines. On others, it may be your profile avatar. Tap that to open the sidebar with your account options and settings. In this menu, find and tap Invite Your Friends. This will take you to the referral section, which is designed to make sharing quick and easy. Here you'll see your unique referral link. This link is what tracks that the new account came through you, so make sure you share this exact link and not just the app's homepage. Tap to copy your link or use the built-in share buttons. You can send it through Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, or email. When you share, it helps to include a short message reminding your friend to sign up using your link. You can also mention the current promotions so they know what to expect. Keep in mind that promotions and eligibility can vary by region and may change over time, so check the details shown in-app before you share. Here's how the reward works. When your friend signs up using your referral link and buys $100 or more in crypto, both of you earn a $10 bonus in Bitcoin. Sometimes it can take a little time for the system to recognize the completed purchase, especially if payment methods need to clear, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. To confirm your reward, return to the app and open the Rewards or Earn tab. You should see your referral bonus added there once it's processed. If it doesn't show up after a reasonable window, double check that your friend used your link and met the purchase requirement and review the in-app terms for any regional or timing conditions. That's it. Share your link thoughtfully, keep your account secure, and enjoy the bonus when your friends get started.